Welcome to GSSI Fusion, a simple and effective reporting platform that allows you to create professional reports directly from the field. Getting started with Fusion is easy. All you need is a valid email address, and signing up is free. Start by opening a web browser on any computer, phone, or tablet and navigating to fusion.geophysical.com. Click the Sign Up link, provide your email address, and you will receive a verification email. Now that you're verified, you can set up your account. Once that's set up, it's time to build your team. Fusion utilizes unique email addresses to create each account. It is recommended that the account administrator, who will serve as the account owner and manager, create the account first and then invite new team members to join. Each team member will need their own unique and valid email address to sign up and access Fusion. The administrator has full account permissions, including the ability to assign team member permissions and create groups. Using groups allows the admin to manage projects and control which team members have access to specific data, creating a customized and efficient team experience. Upon logging in, you'll arrive at your GSSI Fusion dashboard. New users will receive a complimentary 60-day pro trial. The dashboard displays your projects, equipment, and technical support options. As an initial step, we recommend customizing your profile settings by entering your name, uploading a profile picture, and adding a brief biography. Next, create a customized and branded header that can be readily added to reports. You have the option to include your company logo, address, contact information, and any disclaimers or other information pertinent to your customers. You can create multiple report headers and select the appropriate one when building a report. Return to the dashboard where you can start the report creation process. If you are using a Flex device, you can transfer a prepackaged FSN file containing the original project, including results organized by areas of interest. The FSN file can be directly uploaded to Fusion, automatically generating a project with your original project structure. Once downloaded to your device, upload the newly created Fusion project. The status is currently unlocked because the project is not yet shared. Next, click the View button. Here you can view the project and the areas of interest that were defined in the field. You also have the ability to delete unwanted content, such as areas of interest or results. Additionally, you can rename results, add area findings, and generate a report to share with your customer. You can also annotate and provide descriptions for each of your results, as well as add project notes to describe the project's objective and the work performed. After reviewing your project, you may want to add further results. Once you are satisfied with your edits and descriptions, you can proceed to build your customer report. You will select the header you created earlier and choose the areas of interest you wish to include. This provides a preview of the report's appearance. If you are pleased with the layout and descriptions, you can share the report with your customer. Fusion will prompt you to create a password to ensure the security of your report, as it cannot be accessed without entering the password. The report is now ready for sharing. You can send your customer the QR code or copy the shareable link and send it via email or text. We recommend using the QR code or link along with the password to verify that your report is complete and accessible. You will then see the live version of your report, including the creation date and the author's name. Your customer can now access and view an interactive and authoritative version of the project you created. They will also have the option to download and archive the report for their records. Once downloaded, the PDF will include a link button to return to the live and interactive Fusion version of the report. Your Fusion account displays all reports generated within Fusion, and these can be opened and reviewed at any time. On the dashboard, you will see the projects created, their status, and the equipment used. Check the status of the project you just created. You will notice that the project status is now locked because a report has been shared. To unlock the project, you must navigate to Reports and unshare it. Rest assured, unsharing a report does not result in any data loss. Once unlocked, a project can be edited and subsequently reshared with your client. The dashboard also displays any groups of which you are a member. This is useful for other team members to be aware of their group affiliations. As an account administrator, you can create and manage groups, as well as add or reassign team members. You will also see any equipment that has been used to generate reports. The dashboard includes a customer support tab as well. If you encounter any issues or wish to provide feedback, this is the most effective channel for doing so. If you and your team determine that Fusion is a suitable solution for your company, you may wish to upgrade to a Pro account before your 60-day free trial expires and your account reverts to a free account. The free Pro trial provides 10 gigabytes and 10 seats. The base Pro plan provides 1 gigabyte and 1 seat, with options to upgrade from there. Upgrade options for Pro accounts include selecting from 1 gigabyte to 1 terabyte of storage and up to 15 seats. We hope you and your customers find GSSI Fusion to be a valuable tool. Please do not hesitate to contact us if you have any further questions.